10 life tips and tricks that are incredibly useful. Use your phone's volume button as a camera shutter. Instead of tapping the screen to take a photo, use your phone's volume button. It gives you better stability for a clearer shot. Pack clothes in compression bags. To maximize suitcase space, roll your clothes and pack them in compression bags. It can free up a surprising amount of space for other items. Make your own phone screen cleaner. Mix distilled water and rubbing alcohol, 1:1 ratio, in a spray bottle. It's an easy and cost-effective way to clean your phone screen. Reheat pizza in a skillet. To keep your pizza crust crispy when reheating, use a skillet instead of a microwave. Just heat on low for a few minutes with a lid on top to melt the cheese. Freeze cookie dough for fresh cookies anytime. Roll your cookie dough into individual portions and freeze them. You can bake fresh cookies anytime without the hassle of making dough. Fix squeaky doors with petroleum jelly. Rub petroleum jelly or cooking oil on the hinges of squeaky doors. It will stop the noise and make the door open smoothly. Use a stapler to create a hat holder. If you have a small space and need to store your hats, attach a stapler to the wall and hang your hats over it as a clever space-saving hack. Use a shower cap to protect shoes in your luggage. Place your shoes inside a shower cap before putting them in your luggage. This keeps your clothes clean and prevents dirt from transferring. Clean your glasses with baby shampoo. If you wear glasses, use a small amount of baby shampoo to clean your lenses. It's gentle and effective without leaving streaks. Use a rubber band to remove stripped screws. Place a rubber band over a stripped screw and use a screwdriver to turn it. The rubber will provide extra grip to help you remove the screw.